Your home's exterior is one of the first things people notice, and over time, dirt, algae, mildew, and weather buildup can make it look older than it really is. Details and Dixon's soft washing service is designed to refresh those exterior surfaces with a safe, low-pressure cleaning process. For siding, soft washing helps remove buildup, brighten the exterior, and improve curb appeal without relying on harsh pressure. For roofs, it helps target dark streaks, moss, algae, and organic staining with a controlled cleaning solution designed to work gently on the surface. For decks, soft washing helps clean away grime, mildew, and slippery buildup so your outdoor space looks cleaner, fresher, and more enjoyable. Instead of blasting surfaces with unnecessary pressure, our team applies the right cleaning solution, allows it time to break down buildup, and gently rinses where appropriate. This helps clean more effectively while reducing the risk of damage to siding, shingles, deck boards, and exterior finishes. To support this process, Details and Dixon's invested in a commercial-grade soft and pressure washing truck with a truck-mounted system, onboard tanks, long-reach hose reels, and controlled solution metering. For customers, that means better coverage, a more consistent process, fewer interruptions, and the right balance of cleaning strength and surface care. Whether your siding looks dull, your roof has dark streaks, or your deck needs a seasonal refresh, Details and Dixon's can help bring back a cleaner, better cared-for look to your home's exterior. Details and Dixon's. One call cleans it all. Guaranteed.